Now that we kind of have a basic layout, we have our image, we're going to go back and I'm going to show you how to center different items if you want to. It's actually pretty easy. So you just come here. Before an item, you would do your tag, which is center. And then at the end, you would just close it. It's really important to make sure that you properly nest the different tags inside of each other. Okay, so now we've saved that. Let's refresh. Okay, perfect. Our title is centered. Say, however, I wanted to center everything on this page. I don't have to close my tag here. I can close my tag all the way at the very bottom. And we'll save. And now you'll see when I refresh, every single item will now be centered. Okay, so you can do this individually by item, the whole page, whatever works for you is fine. Now, the next thing I do want to talk about is picking a background font color. So HTML uses something called hex codes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come here and find HTML hex colors. There's lots of different websites that you can go to, so we'll just pick this very first one. And if you don't like this, you can go to any number of ones. Well, we're doing the Packers. So let's go with the green, okay? If you come here on the right-hand side, you can see all the different shades of green. For readability, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick this one. It's kind of a light green. I'm going to copy my hex code. And then I'm going to come back here. Now, this is where we will run into a little bit of issue because we are not using CSS. It will give us some error codes on the side. That is fine. However, if you are choosing to use CSS, instead of putting your background color here in the head section, you will actually put that onto your CSS file, which you will later link. So here is our, oops, accidentally deleted some stuff. Here is our tag. So you are going to write body style equals background dash color. And then you have a colon, and I'm going to paste that color in that I grabbed. Make sure you end with a semicolon, and then you're going to do your quotation marks and end. Now, here you go. So here's what's happening essentially is because this is in the head section, this piece is ignoring all this because it wants the background color to run to everything. So we could try to fix it by coming to, well, let's see. Before we do that, let's save and let's view. Sometimes you have to wait. For some reason, our hex code is not working. We have to go back and figure out why. This is a good example of when something does not work, why you need to go back and fix it. So we come over here. I'm just going to pick another color from a different place. HTML color codes. All right, perfect. I like this site already. Here we go. All right, we're already on green. I like this one. I'm going with this code right here. So copy. And I'm going to go ahead and place this right in here. And I'm going to hit save. And we're going to refresh. Again, running into trouble. So let me go back and make sure that I typed everything right. Body style equals background dash color. Here it is. I forgot my D. Something as simple as that could mess up everything. I misspelled background. So again, you're going to hit save. And we're going to refresh. That's why it's super important that you make sure that you check steps as you go. Had I had not done that, it would have probably been really complicated for me to figure out where the issue was. So now that this is a problem is in our header, let's see what happens when we take this out and put this in the body of our paragraph. Let's see what happens. Let's see. So now again here it's saying unexpected start tag body. So it's getting confused here. So It works perfectly fine. We still get this error. So I prefer to put this here in my head section, okay? And go ahead and disregard any errors, especially these ones and this one, okay? Your site's still going to work fine, and there isn't going to be any issues.